Now let's go back to work. And next in line is Greg from Groveland. Greg, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
Yes, good morning,
Hey.
Tom. Hope that this will be pretty quick. Had a gentleman pass away a week ago. He did not have a will.
All right.
He was a lifelong resident here in Florida.
All right.
He had land that he had set up in a life estate, so we know that's took care of. But he had about $14,000 or $15,000 in different bank accounts.
Okay.
What steps do we need to go through to try to get this cleared up?
Well, I assume the bank accounts were in his name only, not jointly owned. And maybe go ahead.
That one was in his name only, and one was in his name and in his mom's name, who she actually died 4 years ago.
Okay. So, Greg, it's going to require some kind of probate process to get these bank accounts out of his name and into the proper beneficiaries. He died without a will, therefore the Florida statutes is going to write a will for him. If he was married, it goes to his wife. If he had no wife, it goes to his children. If he had no children, it goes to his parents. If he has no parents, it goes to his brothers and sisters. So,
Yes,
Greg,
two sisters. Two sisters, that's all.
Okay, so it's up to the three sisters to pursue this process, and what will happen is we'll go through a short probate process. They will get a court order that will tell the bank to turn this money over to the three sisters. Greg, does that answer your question for you?
Yeah, and I just, once we get the copies of his death certificate, then do I go see an attorney, or how does that work?
Well, that might be the best move, but realistically, I could begin to assist you with this right away, even without a death certificate. So we would be pleased to assist you with this, Greg. And the good news is that we can do a type of probate on this called a summary administration. It'll be a relatively quick and easy and inexpensive in and out of court for you guys, Greg. So I'd love for your office. Give me a call at the office next week. We'd love to assist you at 407-423-5561.